Cats and dogs, it's lashing rain. I don't have to water the plants. So another change I made was one of the Schefflera Taiwaniana that had gotten stripped, or I stripped the lower leaves, and I've moved it across to this the new raised bed, and I've put it in beside the Pseudopanix latus. And what I'm hoping to do is to get a collection of nice plants, shrubs, small trees that will have Brassioopsis Schefflera, nice leaves and stuff, and look nice with the trachycarpus and bamboo behind them. But today I was out. I needed to bring down the big ladder and cleaned out all that hedge there. I couldn't get near it with the step ladder. But I planted up with the composted manure, trachycarpus fortunei, and I've put them basically in between the bamboo along the hedge line here. A mountain of branches and everything that came down. So it's completely opened up this area here. So I decided these three trachycarpus here are doing really healthy. I'm throwing out new spears. So I decided to plant them up. And give them a good soak. I bed them in. The Shen's Boston and the McCluriana. You can see the new culm coming out. 2 new culms. It's usually the second year that they actually do anything. You see the new culms coming up. So I'll have bamboo and trachycarpus fortunei along here. I'll put 1 or 2 in here as well just to balance it out. So when you come up the pathway here, between the grasses and the paulownias and eucalyptus, to this point here, these all have to be gone. We'll have to walk back up this side. That's it for today. It's absolutely lashing down. I'm soaked to the bone.